Welcome back to another good old Facebook market page addiction, fellas. We are checking out some more clapped out Honda Civics. Let's see how scummy cheap we can get in today's value of Honda Civics. Like this first up, 2000 Honda Civic LX. I believe it's going for $1,500. And what the fuck is this type of wing on it? Ba-doing! Even got a rain cover on the back. Why? It's not like the window goes up and down. It's just solid, bruh. What the kind of shit is bro smoking? Bro's like, oh, this shit cooking. Oh yeah. He's got the clear taillights for the clear brain fog, VTEC. Oh, yeah, buddy. VTEC on there. I bet you it's not even a fucking actual VTEC. Come on. He says the transmission is slipping, but otherwise in great condition. No, it's not a Type R. If it was, price would be considerably higher. I believe it's an LX. So you stickered her up and called her good, eh? I love the Civic Type R sticker, dude. Freaking A. Just... Bro went full out Civic Type R. Oh no, honey, wake up. Here comes the Civic Type R bombing down the street. No, get the fuck out of here. Like, dude, get out of here, you freaking goonie. This is such a sketchy deal already. Freaking 3 photos, barely anything, no engine, transmission slipping, dude, things clap to the goddamn max. I would not buy this for $1,500. Send her off to the freaking scrapyard. I can't believe I'm fucking saying that for once in my life. Or would you rather end up owning the 2002 Honda Civic going for $2,000? Oh, damn, that's a nice Honda Civic back there, eh, fellas? Freaking A, big old fatty, 6.7 liter power stroke, most likely, I'm assuming, or unless it's a hidden gas. Yeah, I don't know. I'm kidding. This thing's been, it's a manual, $2,000, 2002 Honda Civic manual transmission, and we're cooking with like at least 6 photos. Oh, wait, no, 7. Not too shabby, pretty clean. He's giving us a little spice and dice. Oh, yeah, listed a week ago in Leduc, Alberta. Got a good amount of tread. Seats are actually pretty freaking dang clean. Like, damn. The interior is phenomenal. It's better than the Toyotas interiors. They're freaking nutty. Or a Ford owner's interior, like this guy here. I'm kidding. This guy actually probably keeps his stuff pretty darn nice. Like that pickup back there. Ooh, that's freaking nice, brah. That's nice, brah. Yeah, I know. I'm saying brah like one of those weirdos. What a fucking weirdo I am. He says selling my... He says selling my Honda Civic 2002 SI manual transmission. It was my daily drive for 8 years. Ooh, really? I've got it 230,000 kilometers and most of it is highway miles. Not too shabby. Oh, god dang. God dang. So he got it at 230,000, racked up to 360, or selling because I bought a bigger vehicle. Bigger vehicle for the little ding dong. He's got something to tell y'all. I'm kidding. He's just telling us all straight blankly. He's obviously pointing it off in the back. He's like, yeah, fellas, I'm rocking a little tiny noodle, That's my type of shit, bro. He says timing belt, front brakes, and alternator replaced 2023. Oh, yeah, new set of all-weather tires in 2004. Good speakers and radio fabric seats. Small oil leak. AC does not work. Passenger window does not roll down. Yikes, some minimal rust. Pull latch to open hood snapped off, but you can still easily open it. That's so there, buddy guy. Perfect starter car or a great practice to learn stick shift. You definitely so-called upgraded for a fucking Ford, bro. You upgraded for a goddamn Ford, bro. The Cummins is where it's at. That's what the type of shit you want, not this little power stroke of like, you're gonna have a little power stroke in that, like go as you're driving down the highway. I'm kidding. No, fuck that. Imagine that, fellas. Imagine that. Rather end up owning this 2007. What the fuck? 2007 Honda Today. I didn't know they made a car called Today. $3,300 listed 4 days ago in Edmonton, Alberta. Driven 200,000 kilometers, manual transmission, not too shabby. He says, nice 2007 Honda Civic, good on gas, perfect for delivery. The only issue is a broken bumper. You can see that from pictures. I mean, fair enough. And what are you trying to get again? $3,300, and he's looking like this. Dude, you're fucking cooked to the goddamn max to think you're going to get that. Bro fucking had a stroke and think his car's worth that much now, looking like that. I mean, I get the interior's freaking phenomenal. That's decent. I think this thing's only going to go for $2,500, especially with that many kilometers. Dude, the rear bumper's just clapped. You're running on steely rims. You got a decent amount of tread on there. I mean, I get it. It's a manual, but it's a 2-door freaking banger. You're not going to get much for it. You're clapped in the goddamn back right. So, nah. Better luck next time there, buckaroonie. I don't know. Would you guys cop this for $3,300, or is this guy gone dang cooked to the max like buddy here? Yeah, probably. Wing wang. And then this guy freaking 1,500 for this scummy cheap thing? No, get out of here. Or would you rather end up owning this 1991 Honda Civic going for $4,200 listed at Dago in Chilliwack, BC? This one's been driven 196,000 kilometers. Not too shabby. He says Honda Civic Special Edition Zero Underbelly Rust. Now that's a first. I've never heard that before from somebody owning a Honda Civic. Now that's quite rare, I'd say, more as in to hear from them. Oh, I hate in BC how you have to like have your front and back plates on there. That sucks. Here in Alberta, you don't got to deal with that, so it ain't too shabby. Why the fuck is there? Who is this? What? I don't even know what kind of skull this is. I know it's towards an animal. I just don't know the name of it. You know, like what? What is bro doing here? Like, my goodness, my guy. What the kind of shit were you cooking to put that back there? Yeah, bro. I'm gonna put this back here. Yo, what is this? He's like, he's he's taking a sexy pic for this. That is nutty, bro. Wait, are those all car parts back there? Oh no, that's a fucking bush. My cooked ass was thinking that's car parts back there. Dude, this deer is actually pretty freaking clean, but he does have a lot of junk around in the area, you know, eh? I mean, not bad interior, but that pic just cracked me the fuck up like no tomorrow. That's kind of nutty, not too shabby, looking pretty freaking decent. Oh yeah, you got to get the nice good little angle pic. I think this might be the profile picture or thumbnail picture, whatever you want to call it as. He says, runs great, drives straight, and stops on a dime. You flick that dime in the air, it slaps down like no tomorrow. He said, I bought this car 8 months ago after getting T-boned. Since getting T-boned, since then I pulled over $1,800 worth of parts into it and countless hours of my own time. I'm qualified full-time mechanic. Couple minor things still need work on. Still, she leaks a little bit of oil very much. Middle vents are missing, very easy. The air conditioning doesn't leak, but the compressor needs to be replaced. I mean, fair enough. Work done. Fuel filter break. Okay, you kind of get the gist. So here you go, a freaking wackadoo load of parts and missing little things here and there. Other than that, this thing's actually pretty freaking slickety slack clean. Like, goodness gracious. Honestly, I think this one's going to be the best bang for your buck out of this entire video is this Honda Civic. Compared to this, compared to this, compared to this. Maybe not this, but maybe yes, so at the same time. But Buddy's put more money and effort in towards this, I'd say. Yet he's only asking $4,200, which is kind of like, no, but I'd rather spend $2,000, and this looks like the best bang for your buck so far to me personally, because you want to spend the least amount of money. Fuck no to this. Absolutely not. This thing's freaking clapped. Hell no to this one. So I'm kind of like narrowing down to like this one or this one. You got two freaking banger options, or well, aka four, but in reality, which one would you choose? Which one's closest to you? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. And honestly, before we go, I just got to see this one more time. Oh my God. That picture, it's a little sexy picture, you know, eh, fellas? Oh my God, I don't know, fellas. What are you guys cracking with? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. I'll see you in the next. Peace.